Alright, I apologize. This morning I am getting into this quite late, very late, so
It is Apple earnings.
bear with me
I'm not sure how
because I
much
am very behind right now.
the market.
No plan in terms of trading currently. I'll probably get into that if there's something that I see that I like. Got the pre-market there. We're kind of touching that. Mark that up.
Not much resistance, still like 428.80 ish.
That's kind of low of the day. All right, I'm gonna pop into a little bit higher time frame and see what we can find in terms of levels to the upside here. I do see something around in this area. Like 430. We have this like 425 area for sure. Kind of like that level right there. Alright, we can hop into it. Let's see if we don't get something that we like here. Definitely not looking to like rush into any trades since I am coming in a little bit unprepared today. So today might be kind of just a sit back and relax type day. See if anything happens I like particularly, but nothing crazy. I have some levels I'm looking at. In terms of news, you guys hold calls overnight?
No. Wish I did.
That would have
I'm
been
gonna
crazy.
do a gamble here, small one.
Okay.
100%.
What?
I'm honestly watching QQQ to retest 360.
360.
Mm.
Nice.
Yeah, 360 is my level for QQQ. And 363. If you don't get full whack.
If you don't know how to make court,
Boy, strong.
Yeah.
You're in the calls?
No, I'm not in calls. I was gonna do a put there. I saw that push. There's a resistance of 427.50. I'm so sore right now. Oh my gosh.
What'd you hit at the gym?
Yeah, the chest and legs.
Damn, that's a crazy combo.
Yeah. At least a forearm too. It's a little bit.
Okay.
Yo,
Yo,
Hello.
What's up, Fooey?
going on?
Bully, bully.
It's pretty crazy, dude.
Yeah.
1 hour going straight up.
should I just do a one call here?
I was thinking we'd get a retest of the pre-market high, but maybe not. I think we will. I think it's inevitable.
You'll think we get a retest and then continue up?
It's gonna come down, give us a beautiful retest of the pre-market high. All of us are on hopping calls and ride it to 429.
Okay.
No, I don't know. That's what I'd hope for, but I don't know what's gonna happen.
No, I like that.
I was just looking in in the pre-market, we came back and retested the previous day high really well, rallied from there. Set a pre-market high. I don't know. I expect a pullback at some point,
I mean, yeah, there's always going to be one.
and I
I was
don't
really
see any
hoping
other
that-
areas. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I don't have anything marked from pretty much where we're at right now, all the way up to 4:30.
I got one at 429 or 428.9, pretty much 429 ish, and then one at 430. But yeah, there's kind of a gap in there that there's not a ton of levels. Maybe one around 427 ish. I'm seeing. Maybe. Yeah, I could see one around 427 actually. I'll put that up.
Yo, what's up?
I guess 427 is where the pre-market high is. All right, never mind. Might be easy. Yeah, I don't have anything up until 429.
Nice.
Now I feel goofy.
Anyway, approaching some resistance on. Now, spine PQ.
Vessel broke the resistance. 214-ish area.
Yeah, might be a fake out.
That's a major resistance. Yeah, it could be a fake out. That's we failed 3 times.
Right at 428.
214 on Tesla.
Oh, okay. I do see some resistance at 428, kind of right where we're bouncing off of here. I just looked back on the hourly. There's some kind of some confluence around there.
Yeah, Kiki rejecting pre-market high.
It's crazy how marked up the premiums were yesterday. Just nuts.
The earnings too.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know when Apple reports, whether it's it's probably after hours, I'm guessing. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it is after hours.
Alrighty, sweet.
Probably the biggest gap up I've ever seen.
I know, it's crazy.
And maybe we got news coming out in a couple minutes too.
I can do is try.
There you almost have like a retest of pre-market low, pre-market high.
Oh wow.
How do you feel about it? How to bounce off of this level though?
Potentially, it's my EMA's right there as well, but I think I'd want to wait for some confirmation before taking anything. That rejection was pretty high volume too on the 2 minute.
Yeah.
But we're about to close this 5 minute candle. It is a little risky though. That's a very bearish candle to take a call right after that, especially if it closes. Yeah, I don't know. Because that 5 minutes about to close any like in 10 seconds or so. Ooh.
How do you feel about puts?
Okay. All right though. Hold up though. It's pushing up. All right. So that's better for calls for me. I like that a little bit more. We held that level on the 5. All right, we're
You play calls, I'll play puts.
Oh man, I only want to play if I get a good fill, so we'll see on that. All right, I'm taking one call off the retest here. We're doing a tight stop on that. Did you really take a put, Fully?
No.
I was gonna say we're above the pre-market high. We held it.
Oh, I did right at the very top. And
Oh,
then
okay.
just rode that a little bit down.
Okay, well that's nice. Good job. You take profit?
Yeah, it was like $12. Just something slight.
Just a little treat.
Yeah.
I'm trying out a new strategy. I'll let you guys know how it goes. For like scalping throughout the day.
Alrighty.
QQQ dropping. Yes, buy nice hold for now.
Dude, if we can get a decent bounce here, these premiums are juiced out. Hmm.
But somehow KKK is very weak now and broke the VWAP.
Darn. Alright.
Yeah.
What up, Abe?
Mike said he's hopping on here soon.
Dude, where's Mike? We got a juicy little fair value gap, huh? Maybe I'm tripping. I'm looking at the 2 minute.
Yeah, he's geeking right now. Because he has those. Remember, like actually, I don't even know if you knew or not. He threw in some 450 calls like a couple days ago.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Wonder how those are looking.
Yes, price calling real nice.
Yeah, I bought 4 puts at the on the 5 minute at the around 9:35, close to the top there at the retest of 428. I bought some puts and I sold off 2, and I kept 2 runners around 427 ish. So I mean, made like 20%, and I just sold the other 2 just now because we're like finding some really good support around that. I have a 6 EMA up right now, and we're finding good support on that.
6 EMA.
Yeah, that's one of the things I'm going to start trying to do is, for scalping, is if we using the 6 EMA as support and resistance, and as long as like if we're sitting under, and if like say if you're looking at puts, if a candle opens and closes under the 6 EMA, they're going to put, and then just hold it until it touches the EMA again. So like,
Okay.
so your loss won't really be that big, but you might be able to scalp, maybe 10 to 12% returns a few times a day doing that. Maybe.
Yeah, give it a shot. Let me know how it goes.
Alright, if we could just go back up to 428, I'd be pretty juiced on that.
Yeah, KKK above the VWAP again.
Yeah, get up there.
How do you not go into a day with a bias? Like,
Who?
very bearish.
Are you just saying in general?
I'm bearish. Yes.
Oh.
Like, I don't know if I'm gonna take any calls today just because I'm going in bearish.
I'll tell you how not to have bias. You wake up pretty much at market open. You open up your computer and you just kind of see where you're at, and you don't have a bias because you don't know shit. That's what I did this morning, Woke up late, opened my computer, we're already open. Oh, what do we have here?
Okay.
Yeah, it's the secret strat, dude. It's the tech. No, I don't know. It's hard. I'm just going with the trend until we prove otherwise. We're heavy.
Well, that's the smart thing to do.
Heavy bullish. If we get a pullback and hold a support, I'm with it.
Yeah, that's hard. I'm also holding 1 call from 427 retest.
Nice.
Hey Ryan, you're on 427 calls or something else?
428, my man. I'm that out of the money little dirty boy. Nah.
This actually is working.
Yeah, 428 strike is what I got in. My target's the high of the day. If we can get back up there, then Good. Ooh, hello. A lot of volume came down in that push down.
We get rejected off this level again.
Yeah, then I might be thinking twice, but showing a lot of strength. I mean, no reason for me to even consider getting out yet. I think the high a day at 428 is pretty doable. I mean, we're only like 40 cents away. But we kind of reject off that level again. I'm only a little concerned that it looks like a little bit of a flag maybe, but I think we're still showing strength.
Yeah. I don't know. If we break below the low of day, not including where we opened, but that little pullback.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fair. If we get below that pre-market high.
Yeah. Exactly.
But this is what I was saying. We're gonna get that pullback to the pre-market high. We're gonna rally from there. Plan's working out.
Hey.
All right, we don't want that though. Come on now. Guess we do have news at 10, so I might consider getting out before that drops just to be super safe.
Okay.
I mean, that's just my own personal thing. I don't hold through
No, no.
news, no matter kind of like what it is. But
Yeah, I
oh
mean,
my,
I appreciate the reminder there because I'm not even looking at the time right now.
it's factory orders coming out at 10, so I don't know how much influence that will have. I wouldn't expect a lot, but it could, you know. We're just grinding our way up on the 2 minute. It's almost painful to watch. It's like
I know, this is disgusting.
just give me something. Just give me that push. Yeah, I'm sitting pretty nice in profits, so I'll probably take that even if we don't get to my target, if news is coming out soon. We'll see. We'll give it a little bit.
I'm just taking small little orders
The
here.
volume
seeing
is
how it goes.
really low too. I'm a little concerned on that. Volume's like almost non-existent. On the 2-minute, it's super low.
Probably.
Yeah, people just waiting for the news, I'd assume, or maybe not trying to get in right before news.
That's what I'm thinking.
It's gross. If you could just give me a little pumper.
So the market reacted positively, it looks like, to all the hourly wage information that came out.
Yeah, I think like. Oh, actually, I don't know. I didn't see anything on that.
Because all that stuff was pre-market, and then I mean, it just pricing just went up. So I'm like, so unemployment rate, hourly wages, all that was came back good then.
Alright, I'm gonna take that. I don't like the look of it, and then we got news in like 30 seconds. That slowdown in volume and those long upper wicks. It could definitely still keep going up, but I had a decent profit on it, so we'll take it.
Let's see. What is this news gonna do?
Might do absolutely nothing, to be honest with you. I don't know how much of an impact it will have, but
That's what happened yesterday with Powell. Like he started talking and price didn't really go anywhere. And then it kind of took off later, but it wasn't like the normal.
I guess I could have waited. It's a bummer. Alright. No worries.
I still don't believe in the upside.
You don't believe?
Here.
That's
That's what I like to hear.
Affirm my bias.
Yeah, I mean, I was bullish, but Tesla is weak now, Nvidia is weak, Apple is weak, everything is kind of weak at the moment.
Yeah, I was
But at the moment,
just gonna say I was a little concerned about SPY as well. It was showing some weakness, just very like falling volume and those long upper wicks kind of struggling. Usually not a great sign.
Let's write it down.
and you have now triangle on the QQQ to the downside. Let's see.
We have like a little bit of a rising triangle or whatever on SPY. If you look at from like the pre-market right before open and draw that support line up to where we're holding now, and then like the top is 428. I don't know if that makes any sense. We're like in this little like triangle between 428 and that support.
Yeah, it's kind of like just a big flag.
Yeah.
Draw it on like the 15.
Yeah. So whichever way we break out of that should be a good indicator. Hopefully.
Is this it? Are you guys bullish or bearish on this?
Bearish.
Oh, I'm waiting to see if QQQ breaks to the upside or downside. Looks like it wants to go down at the moment.
Are you going to give me a bearish and a bullish fractal? Come on. At the same time? Tells me nothing.
Need more computer screens.
Apparently.
Dude, it like hasn't gone anywhere. It looks like it's going up, but I swear it's just been right at this fucking level.
Yeah, I mean, I have these indicators that tell me when pricing has either been overbought or oversold on the bearish or the bullish side, and it gave me an indicator of one of each at the exact same time. I'm like, what does that mean?
I mean, we're just gonna consolidate.
Means follow your price action and volume, young Padawan.
Follow your heart.
Let the chart tell you what it wants to tell you. It'll whisper in your ear, give you a little secret.
Come here, let me whisper in your ear.
Damn, Tesla at 214? So much for it being under 200. That didn't last long. What in the world?
Ryan, what's the temperature where you're at?
38 degrees, my friend.
8.
Yeah.
I'm at 47,
Hmm.
which is crazy for Houston.
47 in Houston. Are people even going to school today? They shut down schools?
Right? Yeah, I know. Oh, it's weird. We got hit with a little cold front. It's cold.
it do be cold. We broke out of that little support. Might be headed down. We'll see if the pre-market high holds.
Yeah, I'm holding QQQ1 put. Took a small profit on that SPY call, and let's see if we can reverse. 360, please. Next destination 360. Okay, please don't reverse now.
Move out of that break. Are you in anything, Evan?
I'm holding QQQ put.
Gotcha.
Broke and hold below Viva.
Nice. All right.
Every fucking time we reverse like this. That 5 minutes still looks nice.
Yeah, SPY's looking pretty good. Only concern is that pre-market high to the downside, I guess.
Yeah, I
Nah,
can
that
send
volume
you
looks so good.
what I saw on QQQ just a sec.
Yeah, I got some puts in on SPY. I had, as long as we stay under that EMA.
Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna get into.
So Ryan, this is what I saw on QQQ.
Did you throw it in general or
1 minute.
something?
Yeah. On 1 minute it looks
Ooh, yeah, I like that. Yeah, kind of like the exact opposite of what we have on SPY. We had like a flat top and a rising support that we broke.
Yeah, this is like descending triangle.
Yeah, nice, dude. Solid. I love
260 is my level, yeah.
I love those breakouts from consolidation. They like almost always give you at least a short move that you can scalp. Especially if you're trading 0 day till expiration. If you get one of those little breakouts, that's like an easy 20-25% just on the first move out of there.
That's true, yeah.
It's like excellent for scalping off like 2 or 5 minute, those breaks. Dang, look at us go.
Okay.
You know what I like about I tested this out last night. What I love about the 6 EMA is that if pricing breaks like this, the 6 EMA pricing price average turns so much too that it essentially creates this moving I guess like a mental stop loss for you where it like essentially like if you can literally just train yourself to secure profit as long as you have the discipline to always sell off when it touches that EMA after it's moved in or away or for or against the direction you want it to go.
Yeah, but aren't like some of the plays gonna be up like 2% before you get out?
It could. I mean, from what I was
Like, how
looking
big
at
are these
though,
plays that you're looking at? How big are they?
so I'm trying to move. I mean, I'm again. This is all like just testing for me. I spent like an hour last night looking at it. Instead of trying to do one big move where I get like 30 to 35% return, doing like 5 or 6 a day of getting 10 to 12% returns, which I've already done 2. and I'm already sitting on a third if I sold it right now. But because it hasn't touched the EMA yet, like I'm sitting at 14% on, and this would be the third one I did if I would have sold it right now. So that tells me, like, if it goes back and touches the 6 EMA at 427.11, or yeah, I'm still at profit, even if it just goes up and just touches that.
Okay, I see. So you're looking for more of just a lot of little plays.
Yes, essentially.
Okay, I gotcha.
Let's see if I can make a new low. Oh, nice.
I think it's probably I'm doing like the opposite of what some of those big hitters do, where they try to find one play and get $3,000. I'm trying to do like 10 to 12 a day of 200 to 300 there. You know, that's like the long term goal.
I gotcha.
Come on, spot.
You're such a bitch. What the fuck is wrong with you?
So right there, I just sold it.
I sold my profits. Buys above pre-market high again. I don't like it.
I need more coffee, dude. Are we consolidating again? I stepped away from the computer.
Bitch.
That tells me all I need to know.
We are going up. For now.
Oh, we're going up.
Probably will find some resistance somewhere.
A pre-market high, holding strong.
Apparently.
Like a bit of a slow morning in terms of how much momentum we had overnight and breaking above yesterday's high. But now we're just like chopping around in a $1 range. I guess I just expected more volatility, especially after all the speeches and whatnot yesterday.
One thing I'm looking at is look how slowly, like it looks like they try to push pricing down and how long it took on those candles, and then how quickly it reversed back up. I mean, is it incorrect to say that that's a bullish indicator?
I mean, could, yeah, with, you know, all the high volume as well.
You have any more news coming out today?
8 or 10 Eastern.
Oh, okay, so that already came out.
Yeah, there's nothing else. Excuse me, there's nothing else for today.
Yeah, good thing I saw it.
Price action. I'm really fired up right now.
Dog shit.
I'm getting FOMO actually. Dude, these moves are giving me FOMO, bro. I don't want to jump in. On the real, I might hop off before too long. I got some work shit I need to do.
You got FOMO for losing money.
Yeah, this theta decay is so sick, dude.
I got like a couple different indicators right now, like all confirming bullish.
Potentially nice setup for breaks above 428. Break high day, break out of this range, might get some movement. I don't know.
There it is.
Well, goddamn. You go, bitch. Where you go?
Bro, I was muted the whole time.
Yeah, dude, we didn't hear you.
Oh my god, I was talking the whole time.
Why is everybody being such an asshole? Nobody's replying to me.
I'm sorry.
No, it's all good. But that was.
You have a good
I
conversation?
went out with my mom.
Yeah, what
that
were
was-
you talking about?
Yeah,
Sorry.
I didn't call at the same time.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, you said yeah, so like you did too.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry.
What the heck? Anyway, yeah. I was gonna say I got work, so I gotta get ready.
All right, take it easy, my
See you
friend.
guys next time. I'll be on tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow.
All right, later, man.
Peace.
That's so funny. I hate that when you're on mute and talking, you have no idea. Off too, we got that nice break out of high day. Made me want to sit around maybe a little longer, but we'll see.
Even though like you're working, do you still have a monitor up, Ryan, where you're still watching the market all day though?
Hell no, dude. I'd be so distracted I wouldn't get shit done. There's no way. I just have to step away from it or I'd be tempted to trade. Maybe if I like didn't have much in my schedule, but if I have stuff I need to get done, then no. Also, I found that usually I take shitty. I've done that before. Like, had a chart up on my other monitor while I'm working, and then like taking trades, and I don't know. It never really ended well for me, just because I was like half focused. You know what I mean? Like trying to pay attention to work, but also like, no, it just never really worked out for me.
Yeah, that's fair.
Oh, I love this reversal right here. Please reverse.
Are you in puts?
No, I just wanted to retest because I want to go back into calls. That's because I sold my calls after like when that thing skyrocketed, right there from like that big pump right there. I sold because I was up like 40%, and I wanted to come back and retest so I can buy calls again.
Nice.
There we go. We looks like we may turn around here. I love when I'm looking at like 5 different confirmations. Let's get a little reversal here. Let's go down and let's touch 428. Come on. Let's use 428 as a bounce. I just bought it. I just grew when I put.
Yeah, I'm probably about to hop off. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good luck.
Bye, Ryan.
Later.
Yeah, me too. See you guys.
See ya.